Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We were dealing with gravitation. We defined potential and potential energy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Capital M is stretched. Small m is released from the position shown. Initial separation is capital R. Final separation is small r. You are asking me what will be the velocity acquired by. You are asking me what will be the velocity acquired by small m when it comes to a distance of small r from capital M. right? Now, relief, that means initial velocity is 0. Loss in potential energy will be equal to gain in kinetic energy. Conservation of total mechanical energy, advantage capital M is fixed. Advantage capital M is fixed. Loss is always U initial minus U final. Gain is kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
U initial minus G capital M small m by R. Minus of minus G capital M small m by small r. U final. The negative sign is important in gravitation as far as potential is concerned. You don't carry the negative sign, you are in trouble. Half mv square minus 0. Initial is 0, final is half mv square. Why are you not taking the kinetic energy of capital M? It is fixed. So one equation and one variable, nothing better than that. Case 1, when one of the particle is fixed. You know what is case 2?
Both are moving.
When
Both are moving.
Both are moving. Make a guess what will be case 3?
Both are fixed.
Three particles
Both are
are
Sliding.
move क्या करेगा जब fix होगा तो
Wait, somebody said both are fixed. Itself. If both are fixed, what do I ask you?
Sir, accelerating.
If they are fixed,
Hinge force.
take it down.
Collision.
circular motion.
Okay, wait, take it down. We'll go to that.
What is the heading of this subpart?
Continuation of the last topic's potential energy. Problems based on it. Potential energy का usage applications.
Noted.
Noted, sir.
Great, sir.
Sir, just 1 minute. Just a minute.
Pardon?
Sir, just 1 minute, please. Don't drop the board. Just.
Yeah, okay.
Copied, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Now case 2. I'll have M1, M2 released from the position shown. Both released simultaneously. Simultaneously. Initial separation between them is capital R. M1 acquires a velocity V1, M2 acquires a velocity of V2 when the separation between them reaches small r. Now, loss in potential energy U initial minus U final is E final minus E initial. Loss in potential energy initial minus final is gain in kinetic energy final minus initial. Initial potential energy is minus G M1 M2 by capital R. Final potential energy minus G M1 M2 by small r. Kinetic energy final half M1 V1 square plus half M2 V2 square minus of 0 plus 0. Initial kinetic energy of both is 0. Negative signs in the potential energy expression, don't forget them. I have two variables V1 and V2. I need one more equation. Conservation of linear
moment.
M1 V1 minus M2 V2 is the final momentum of both. 0 plus 0 is the initial momentum of both. Not very difficult simplification. Two equations and two variables. If they give you proper ratio of M1 and M2, simplification is quite easy. M2 is 2 times M1, 4 times M1, 8 times M1. Simplification becomes very easy. Suppose they don't give you convenient numbers for M1 and M2. Is there any shortcut in your mind? Yes. Minus G M1 M2 by R is the initial. Minus G M1 M2 by small r is the final. Half mu VR square. What is mu?
Reduced mass. M2 by M1 plus M2.
M1 M2 upon M1 plus M2. Recollect, two masses with a spring in between. You used this.
Yes,
Because there was no external force.
The center of mass.
It is purely an internal force. Instead of a spring, you are having gravitational force. The problem is the same. Instead of a spring, you have got gravitational force. So obviously you can do this. And what is VR standing for? V1 minus V2. Here they both are in opposite direction. V1 minus of minus V2 will become V1 plus V2. In one equation, you will get V1 plus V2. Then use this equation. Your job is done. Take it down till here.
So at the rightmost, you have written 0 now.
Second equation or first equation?
The second equation.
0 and 0.
Sorry, the first one above.
0 and 0. Initial, they are released
Okay.
simultaneously. Released means initial velocity is 0. So initial kinetic energy is 0.
So
Okay, sir.
the reason we can conserve linear momentum is because the force of gravity acting between the two particles becomes internal when considered a system, right?
Right. When there is no external force, I can conserve linear momentum. There is no external force on that.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Just a minute, sir.
1 minute.
Somebody is typing 12th board exams are cancelled, lucky batch. 1 second, place yourself in their shoes and see. Last 6 months, say they are preparing for their boards. Their syllabuses from January, February, March, April, May. They didn't even know whether the exam will be conducted or not. 1.5 months back, they were told their exams will be conducted. They were seriously preparing for boards, giving some part of their preparation from JEE for boards. Now they are told their boards are not going to be conducted. How painful it would have been for the past 6 months for them. They are not a lucky batch here. They went through the maximum pain. I'm telling you, they are continuing to go through the same thing. Now JEE mains कब होगा? Last 2 attempts पता नहीं. JEE advanced कब होगा? पता नहीं. Uncertainty to the peak. It's very painful. Don't ever think they are lucky. Instead, you people are lucky. You know, at least by next year, everybody will be vaccinated. We can go out and have exams. You have it maybe 1 month delay, 2 months delay. This batch, and just imagine last year, if anybody has taken a drop, what would have been his plight? Very painful days for them. Yeah. उससे भी ज्यादा painful क्या है बताऊं? People who went into IIT last year. IIT में the best part is the campus life. Syllabus in IIT and NIT are the same. Why do I go to IIT and study? The best part is the campus life. That's the golden moment. And these people are sitting at home and doing their IIT. It's of absolutely no use. 1 second, there is an important call coming. Okay, right. Now listen. Third point. Suppose you have capital M. This is case 3. Capital M is fixed. Small m is given a velocity of u. Small m is given a velocity of u. This is called impact parameter. Impact parameter. First 2 cases that you people have taken are along the same line. First 2 cases that you people have taken are along the same line. Now the body is given a velocity this way. not given a velocity towards this. It's given a velocity this way. It will turn like this. Are you able to visualize?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will take a turn like this. This will be our minimum. At an instance when V is perpendicular to R, it is our minimum. At an instance when V is perpendicular to R, it is our minimum. Why should V be perpendicular to R? If it is not perpendicular, it will have a component this way. Now that component will have the velocity towards capital M, and there will be another point which is closer to capital M. If V is not perpendicular to R, then there will be a component towards capital M, velocity component, which will pull it closer to capital. So the closest distance of approach is when V is perpendicular to R. Let me show you two cases. Suppose I am speaking about a planet going around the sun. V is perpendicular to R all throughout if it is a circular orbit.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the circular orbit, V is perpendicular to R all throughout. If it is not a circular orbit, elliptical orbit, Kepler's law, at R minimum and R maximum, V is perpendicular to R. At the closest distance of approach and the farthest distance of approach, V is perpendicular to R. Why? Observe this. As the particle is going away from the sun, for instance, let me take this. Now this is velocity. There is a velocity component along the radial direction. So there will be a point farther away. This velocity component will drag the body away from the sun further. Same here. But when there is 90, this velocity component will become 0. So there is no velocity dragging this body farther away from this. So that will be our maximum. Now the particle is coming closer. Everywhere there is a velocity component towards the sun.
Yes, sir.
Here it reaches 90. So the velocity component towards the sun becomes 0. There will not be another point closer than this. Right? So this will be the closest, this will be the farthest. So there are three instances when R is perpendicular to V. One, circular path. Two, if it is not a circular path, at the closest and the farthest distance of approach, R is perpendicular to V. Is this point clear to all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I will again come to this topic in this chapter in Kepler's laws. Right? Kepler's laws tells us that the path of a planet around the sun is elliptical. Now, what is your requirement? R minimum. Capital M is fixed. Capital M is hinged to a surface. This is a horizontal surface. You are having the top view. Right? To make your simplification easy, initial separation is large enough. Initial separation is large. Right? So that what will happen? U initial plus kinetic energy initial, U final plus kinetic energy final. What did you conserve?
Energy.
Energy.
Total mechanical energy. Right? Now U initial, potential energy initial is 0. Why?
Very far.
R is
Large
large.
distance. Large
Between
distance.
Do we need to exactly find in this question?
R minimum, closest distance of F.
Okay, 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 sir, fine.
Now, half mu square is the initial kinetic energy. Final potential energy is minus G capital M small m by R minimum less half mv square. My first equation. How many variables do you have? B is one variable, R minimum is one variable. Anyone can be asked. Right? B is one variable, R minimum is one variable. Right? Anyone can be asked. So two variables, I need one more equation. What will your second equation be?
Momentum.
Circular motion.
Square by R is equal to force.
So the GM by R square is MV square.
V square by R minimum.
G capital M small m by R minimum whole square is mv square by R minimum. I'll tell you where from this came to your mind. From the 22nd problem of CV in the chapter circular motion. You were asked what is the radius of this parabolic path. What did you do? mg provides the required centripetal force. Do you people recollect this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here also gravity provides the required centripetal force. First time a boy in the batch 2005 asked me if he can apply this. You don't get the answer if you apply this. You will get the wrong answer. Then what else do you want me to do?
Conservation of
Close your
angular
eyes
momentum.
for a second and recollect what you learned for the past 1 year. Dynamic equation, conservation of linear momentum, which I cannot do here.
Yes, sir.
Next, right? Conservation of energy, which I used up. Torque equation does not make sense here. Conservation of angular momentum. That's all. Whole of 1 year, we have learned these 5 things. Conservation of angular momentum, I can apply here. If torque is 0, I can apply conservation of angular momentum. About capital M, there are 2 forces. Force of attraction between the two and the hinge force, we have fixed it.
Yes, sir.
Both forces are passing through capital M. So torque about capital M is
Zero.
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 conserve angular momentum. MUD, MU into D is equal to MV into R minimum into sin 90. 2 equations, 2 variables will give you the correct answer. But now my focus is on why should this give you the wrong answer?
So the radius of curvature is not R
variable,
minimum.
variable.
Need not be the same. Somebody said variable, wrong. Dhyan se suniye. Observe this carefully. I will redraw the planetary motions diagram for your clarity. What did you tell me? This is the sun. This is R minimum. This is R maximum. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maximum is not the radius. Dhyan se dekho. If you take a small element and draw a circle, this is the radius. R minimum is not the radius. Take a small element and draw a circle. This is the radius. R maximum is also not the radius. R minimum is also not the radius. Same applies here. Dhyan se dekho. If I take a small element here and I draw a circle, R minimum is not the radius. This is correct. MV square by R, radius is not R minimum. Do not fall for this trap. Go by conservation of energy and conservation of angular. Quick.
Sir, such a sum was there in rotational dynamics exercise 5. Their spring was there instead of gravitational.
Right. There also maximum separation was asked.
Yes, sir.
So do we need to simplify further?
No, not required.
Sir,
Hello.
so you told that any one will come fine. So the other one will be given. Now, if R is asked, then V will be given. No, sir.
Two equations है, अगर दोनों variables है तो दिक्कत क्या है? I have two variables V and R minimum. He
Yes.
can either ask for V or R minimum. Right?
So
He can ask
either
for both. He will not give you V. You have two equations. It's your job to eliminate V if R minimum is asked.
okay. Thank you, sir.
So does impact parameter as a term have any significance, or is just to
Yes.
know?
Lot of significance. Halley's comet is going around with impact parameter which is calculated and defined. All these celestial bodies will have impact parameters. You should know what angle it is coming in. All that parameters make this new. There are several names given for different parameters. This distance is called impact parameter. If I am the center point of the body and a body is fired straight towards me, impact parameter is 0. But if the body is fired this way, as it is going straight, drop a perpendicular. That is impact parameter.
Okay, sir.
Sir, so R minimum is the impact parameter itself.
Pardon?
R minimum is the impact parameter.
So initial impact parameter बोल we say
Impact parameter कौन सा distance है exactly?
this distance initially when you give a velocity v,
Okay, sir.
not along capital M. If you give u towards capital M, then impact parameter is 0. So draw a line parallel to u. The perpendicular distance between u and this line is called impact parameter.
Okay, sir.
Sir, could you explain the second equation again? I exactly did not get that.
Conservation of angular momentum about capital M. Initial, final.
Okay, sir, got it.
So this whole diagram is top view,
Capital
right?
M, you can conserve angular momentum.
Sir, initial U is 0 cause the initial separation is large, right?
Right. To simplify your simplification, they gave you large separation. Will it continue to be in elliptical orbit? See, these orbits I'll explain when I deal with Sun and Earth in Kepler's law. Actually, all these are in the family of conics. Pair of straight lines, ellipse, circle, parabola, hyperbola. All of this is one family of conics. So this temporarily, for your understanding, is a parabolic path. It will go this way. Coming from infinity, it will go back to infinity. Right? It's a parabolic path. But whole of this is one family, pair of straight lines, ellipse, circle, parabola, hyperbola. How to decide whether it's a parabola or a hyperbola or a pair of straight lines and deal with Kepler's laws in this chapter.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, so basically one will be asked and both, but both will be not given. So we use two equations, right, sir?
Neil, you are being troubled by the fact that you will have to solve two equations for two variables.
No, not
How
trouble.
genuine is this?
No, not trouble, sir. We should be ready now if in the question.
भाई साहब दो इक्वेशंस और दो वेरिएबल्स होंगे, उसे जो पूछना है वो पूछेगा। अगर आपको दो इक्वेशंस का सिंप्लीफिकेशन में दिक्कत हो रहा है,
नहीं दिक्कत नहीं है।
they will not give you in JEE one equation and one variable, नहीं देंगे, वो JEE का एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन।
Sir, noted.
Till now, whatever you have been dealing with is about point objects. You dealt with kinetic energy of a point object, force between 2 point objects, potential energy between 2 point objects, and field because of a point object. None of them were extended bodies. But then, if it were a point object, what did you tell me potential was minus Gm by R? What will field be? Gm by R. Could you make a guess what will be the relation between the two? Field will be minus dV by dr. Minus d by dr of could be here minus Gm by R. Minus of minus is plus. Gm by minus 1 by R square. Gm by R square. Is this the answer that you are expecting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, why are you not writing the negative sign here? As far as the vector is concerned, negative sign tells me the direction. Are you trying to tell me here field will be in this direction, hence you got negative? You are right. Please observe this carefully. This is small m, this is R. When you differentiated with respect to R, you took this to be dr. You didn't take dr negative, you took dr positive. So you took R in this direction, dr is positive. After doing the differentiation, you are getting a negative sign, implies what? Field is in the opposite direction. Field is attraction. This is R, right? You differentiated and you got negative. That means field will be opposite to the direction of R, right? Hence, the negative sign tells me that the field will be towards the small m. This is the most important. You will further split this way. Minus. Significance of the negative sign is field is in the direction of decreasing potential. I'll dictate that point. Wait. First of all, I cap del V by del X. J cap del V by del Y. K cap del V by del J. Field is a vector, potential is a scalar. Field is a vector, potential is a scalar. Negative sign tells me or implies that field always is in the direction of decreasing potential. Field is in the direction of decreasing potential. Three points that we need to understand here. Minus dV by dr, that means I will take along this length. This is a dr. Potential difference divided by distance, I'll get the field. This is what I'm telling. Potential difference divided by this distance, I will get the field in this particular direction. Potential difference divided by distance, I'll get the field in this particular direction. Potential difference V2 minus V1 divided by this distance, I will get the field in this particular direction.
Yes, sir.
So now this you changed the symbols and you wrote del V by del X or dou V by dou X. Some parts of the country they refer to as dou V by dou X. Some parts they refer as del V by del X. I am okay either way. I don't want to get into the symbolic controversies in mathematics. This is partial differentiation. What do you mean by partial differentiation? When you are differentiating with respect to X, you will keep Y and Z constants. I am differentiating with respect to X, Y and Z are constants. I am differentiating with respect to Y, X and Z are constants. Differentiating with respect to Z, X and Y are constants. This is called partial differentiation. Partial. You are differentiating with respect to X. You are keeping Y and Z constants. You are differentiating with respect to Y. You are keeping X and Z constants. Right? So then you call it del or dou. Dou V by dou X, dou V by dou Y, dou V by dou Z, or del V by del X, I cap, del V by del Y, J cap, del V by del Z, K cap. Don't forget the negative sign in front of it. Field is always in the direction of decreasing potential. Field is a vector, potential is a scalar. Vice versa from here. Delta V is minus of integral E dot dr. Relation between field and potential. Relation between field and potential.
So
I have a
shouldn't
doubt.
this be E is always in the direction of increasing potential? Because there is
Field is always in the direction of, if I tell you field is like this potential is greater than this potential. This potential is greater than this potential. If field is in this direction.
Sir, when we are talking
Okay,
about
got it.
potential, we are talking about its magnitude or along with its sign.
Potential का magnitude कहाँ होता है? Along with sign हो. Potential is a scalar. Magnitude का सवाल है ही नहीं.
So, sir, V at a distance of r is minus gm by r, and V at the particle m is 0, right?
V at the particle.
The
V
potential.
at infinity is 0.
Okay, sorry, sir, got my point.
So how did you get the relation E is equal to minus dV by dr?
Differentiate potential and I showed to you I am getting the answer. When I differentiate potential, I got the answer, yes or no? We have done the back calculation, right? How do you get this? You will get it from this. That you will understand in electrostatics. Right now, get the relation between field and potential. How did you know that this is the relation? That you will know in electrostatics.
So one
Okay,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
For now it's an observation.
So you were when you
आपको
were
उसकी क्या चिंता है यार? This is the relation between field and potential. We proved it. How did you
Okay, sir.
get to know? You will understand that later.
so when you were illustrating with that pen as saying that V2 minus V1 divided by the distance will give me the field in the direction in the front direction, sir. So but
This direction में dx लिया है आप. अगर dx लिया है, you'll get the field in that direction. dy लिया है, तो you'll get the field in that direction. dz लिया है,
माइनस साइन के हिसाब से तो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए ना.
आपको उन सब की चिंता करने की जरूरत है नहीं. By the thumb rule, remember, right? Put the negative sign without fail. Solve. While solving, you will understand what is higher, what is low, right? Do not miss the negative sign by
मतलब
any means.
इस डायरेक्शन में dx उस डायरेक्शन में e बस उतना जानना है अभी. ओके सर.
Bas. And carry the negative sign in front, problem will take care of itself and you will be able to visualize what is higher, what is lower.
Then
Sir,
sir,
can
in
you
the
explain the
lower
direction?
diagram, you have taken E in the opposite direction of DR.
Naturally, you are getting negative sign. What does that mean?
No,
आपने
sir,
जब
but the-
negative sign लेके when you solve it, are you getting a negative sign or not?
Yes, sir, but how is that? How is this diagram different from the one you were explaining just now? कि जिस direction में dx या उस direction में E लेंगे.
Stored along with negative sign.
So I'm getting confused.
तो इसका m लोगे तो फील्ड इस डायरेक्शन में होगा कि इस डायरेक्शन में होगा,
Behind.
राइट? तो दिक्कत क्या है?
So sir, it's in opposite direction of V, right?
That's what the negative opposite direction of v का डायरेक्शन कहां पर है? क्या पूछ रहे
Sorry
हो?
sir, sorry sir, sorry
v
sir, sorry.
scalar. Remember only two things. If you think more about it, you will get confused, undoubtedly. Because till you know electric field, you will not know where from I got this. Right? Two things. Firstly, जिस डायरेक्शन में फील्ड चाहिए उस डायरेक्शन में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस डिवाइडेड बाय डिस्टेंस with a negative sign is the value of my field. Just direction. I wanted in this direction, potential difference divided by distance. V2 minus V1 divided by dr with a negative sign in front is my field.
Okay, sir, now got it. I was confused with the negative.
Sir, you are going to detect some statement.
वही लिख दिया मैंने वहां. Field is always in the direction of decreasing potential.
Okay, sir.
Noted, sir.
Noted.
Actually also you can, it's not very difficult. 1 second sabhi dekh lo. You are telling me field is in the direction of decreasing potential, right?
Yes.
Dekh lo aap yahan. Here this is R1, this is R2. When I came closer, R decreases, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
R
Yes, sir.
decreases, it will appear as though this increase, but with the negative sign it's actually,
Decrease.
Decreasing.
so field is in the direction of,
Decreasing
Decreasing
potential.
potential.
आई बात समझ में?
Yes.
So I didn't
Yes, sir.
understand.
If I am coming from here till here, R is decreasing, yes or no?
Yes sir.
R is decreasing means it will appear as though this is increasing, but with a negative sign, what is happening?
Decreasing.
So field is in the direction of,
Decreasing potential. Okay, so it's in backward direction.
for example, if I call this minus 3 volts, it will be minus 4 volts here. If this is minus 3, this will be how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 is technically lesser than minus 3, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Noted, sir.
So sir, magnitude wise is increasing, but sign is negative.
थप्पड़ मारूंगा एक पोटेंशियल को मैग्नीट्यूड बोलने से. आधे घंटे से चिल्ला रहा हूं यहाँ पोटेंशियल स्केलर है. काहे का मैग्नीट्यूड लोगे यार?
सर मैं यही बात हुआ.
Potential is a scalar. Repeat that 10 times.
Potential is scalar, potential is scalar, potential is scalar, potential is scalar, potential.
Magnitude of a scalar लोगे आप.
नहीं.
Now, till now, all the bodies you have taken are point objects. Extended bodies. First body that we deal with is a ring. First body that we deal with is a ring. The results are standard. You'll have to remember them. Electrostatic, same expression. I will not do the derivation again. G will be replaced with K. Mass will be replaced with charge. Consider a small element here of mass Dm. Generally, these derivations में I'll start with potential. क्यों? Potential को integrate करना बड़ा आसान है. क्यों? Potential is a scalar, right? Because of the small element, what is this distance? Root over of r square plus x square. Could you tell me what is the potential here? Because of the small element dm, what is the potential here?
Minus G dm by r under root r square plus x square.
Is this step clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Integration of this is the easiest integration ever that we will come across in physics. क्यों भाई साहब? This is a constant. Root over of r square plus x square is a constant. Do you get that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
All of you visualize that. The length of this marker, even when it is going along, it is constant. Are you able to visualize that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक स्टेप में मेरा आंसर आ गया. इंटीग्रल dm upon root over of r square plus x square minus gm by root over of r square plus square. Integral dm is the total mass.
Yes, sir.
Potential is happy, ring is happy, we are happy because we could do it in one step. Now, field can be calculated in two ways. I will do both the derivations, take this down. And remember, in electrostatics, when I ask you for this expression, you don't answer, I'll make you people write this 100 times. Electrostatics में G is replaced with K, M is replaced with Q.
सर इन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स माइनस प्लस में फर्क नहीं आएगा, वो भी सेम होगा.
Electrostatics may I have positive and negative charges. Gravitation may I have got only attraction. So gravitation may potential is always preceded by negative sign. Electrostatics sometimes positive, sometimes negative. How to take the sign convention there will be taught there. But right now in gravitation, never ever will potential be without a negative sign.
Okay.
This is a ring.
What do you think? Make a guess, what could it be? square, rectangle, polygon, hexagon. Bolo, jaldi bolo.
Sir, it will be a ring.
Noted.
Okay.
Sir, just a minute, just a minute.
Done, sir.
Now listen. This distance is root over of r square plus x square. This is the d. Because of the small element, if I keep a unit test mass here, it is attracted towards this. dE will be in this direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I cannot integrate dE directly. Kyun? dE is a vector.
Direction is not.
Addition of vectors will follow polygon law of addition. You cannot add them directly unless they are in the same direction. dE को अगर directly integrate किया तो that will be the worst blunder ever. dE is a vector quantity. If this is the ring, dE will be like this. If my hand is the ring, dE will be like this at every point. Are you able to visualize? It will be taking the shape of a cone.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will take this as dE cos theta, this as dE sin. Can I claim that all dE sin theta components will cancel out?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Element here, there will be a symmetric element here whose vertical component will cancel out.
Yes, sir.
Horizontal components will add.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Horizontal components will add up. So my answer should be integral dE cos theta. My answer will be integral dE cos theta. I am not convinced with cancellation of dE sin theta. Integrate that and see, you will get 0. Integrate dE sin theta and see, you will get 0. Now d cos theta, what is d? G dm by this distance whole square, r square plus x square. dE ka substitution, are you convinced?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Cos theta value is x upon root over of r square plus x square. Just for your information, this is also a constant. Cos theta is also a constant. Dekh lo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This distance is also a constant. Cos theta is also a constant. As I am turning this marker, theta between the red and the blue marker, don't you think is constant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is also a constant. This distance is also a constant. G integral dm x upon r square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. I love this integration. Gmx upon r square plus x square to the power 3 by 2 is in which direction? This direction. Is in which direction? This direction. Agreed?
So the negative was accommodated with the direction we took.
You have taken dE cos theta now. Why will I get negative? This dE core you have taken in this direction. Adding up all of them, the direction is already taken. I'll not get a
Okay, sir.
negative sign.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now listen to the other way of doing it. What did you tell me? At a distance of x, if I move by a distance of dx, dx उसी direction में लूंगा जिस direction में x is increasing. If I take it in the opposite direction, it would become minus dx. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I know that the field is along x-axis. Field along y-axis got cancelled. If I'm standing here, I know there is field only along this direction. I take potential difference divided by distance. I will not take this potential difference because I know field in the direction is 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I know field is along the axis. So Ex will be the net field minus dV by dx. Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Minus d by dx of what was the expression for potential? Gm by root over of r square plus x. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Minus Gm d by dx of r square plus x square to the power minus half. I brought this to the numerator. When you differentiate this, minus Gm into minus 1 by 2 r square plus x square to the power minus 3 by 2 chain rule into differentiation of this is 2x.
Sir, you missed one negative sign.
No, sir, it's proper.
Right? This negative I kept as it is. Differentiation of this is minus half r square plus x square to the power minus 3 by 2 into differentiation of that is 2x. Right? Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Negative, I have missed one negative.
Yes, so
somewhere.
you have
Sir, V will be minus
The
Gm by
first
root
V
of
will
r
be
square.
minus.
Potential, I'll have a negative. Expression for potential is minus Gm by root over of r square plus x square. So this becomes plus. This becomes plus. I am left with minus Gmx upon r square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. Yeah, why did you get negative sign?
Because
Because
it's along.
I have taken x and dx in this direction. If I don't get a negative sign, implies my field is in this direction. Here, if I don't get a negative sign, implies my field is in this direction. Wrong. My field is in the opposite direction. So getting a negative sign is important. Either you go by dv by dx with a negative sign or find out the field here, integrate all the scalar, all the vectors in the same direction. Somebody is asking Ansh, he's asking why did dE sin theta get cancelled? By symmetry, for every element here, there is an element here for which there will be dE and the vertical components will cancel out. Suppose you are not convinced with the logic, integrate dE sin theta and see.
Sir, if the mass was varying, then d sin theta won't be 0, right?
Naturally. If mass is not uniform, even this derivation doesn't make sense.
Okay, sir.
Theta will not become constant, then dE would alter depending on the distribution of mass.
Okay, sir.
सर इन द सेकेंड डेरिवेशन अगर हम सर ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में dx लेते तब माइनस dx लेते हैं ना?
Right.
Okay sir.
Then I'll get the final answer positive.
Yes sir, because we have already considered the negative direction.
Right.
Sir, I'm not able to understand why in the first derivation we are not getting negative sign.
You already took that in the direction. See the direction. D cos theta. अगर आप D cos theta integrate करने के बाद negative आया, that means field should be towards the right.
Okay, understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
सर बट इक्वेशन में तो आपने कहीं पे भी नेगेटिव साइन नहीं डाला है ना स्टार्टिंग में.
कहाँ डालूं आप बताइए?
सर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन का बात कर रहा हूँ. आप जो डायरेक्शन
कहाँ
के
पर
बारे
डालूं
में
वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ. Where do you want me to put a negative sign? ऐसा डायरेक्शन दिखाया मैंने ऐसा. After showing this direction, if I get a negative sign, I'll have to reverse the direction. I'm not supposed to get a negative sign in the front. Suppose if you are taking this as minus I cap, then carry minus I cap all throughout. I have no problem, but that's a foolish job. Minus I cap. I have taken this to be minus I cap. This should be I cap. This will be minus I. You want me to say that this is negative x-axis? So carry minus I cap right from the start. I have no problem with that.
Okay, sir, got it. Got the concept.
Sir, so in exam में both options given where minus is there and in the other minus is not there, then which to choose?
They will not play with such a silly thing. Why will they? यार ring पूछ के यहाँ direction थोड़ी पूछेंगे. It is gravity means always attraction. So they will not ask you whether this is negative x-axis positive. They will not give you both the options. Don't worry.
Only one way. Okay. Any.
So you took x as constant in first derivation and second you took it as a variable. Why?
Obviously, in the second, you are moving along x-axis, finding out the potential difference, and that moment is limit delta x tending to 0. Hence, instantaneous value of E is found out. Here, you are directly finding out the field at that point. I kept a unit mass here. This is D.
Okay, sir.
Here, you are moving by a distance of dx, finding out the potential difference, divided by dx, I'll get the field.
Sir, noted.
Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Now listen. Suppose you consider a ring. To the right, field is in this direction. To the left, field is in this direction. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'll consider this to be negative, this to be positive. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
r by root 2 r by root. Are you trying to tell me field at the center is 0? Obviously, yes. You have derived the expression gmx upon r square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. At the center, x is 0. Put x is 0, field is 0. You are trying to tell me at x equal to r by root 2, field is maximum. Yes. How did you get to know? Differentiate e with respect to x, equate it to 0. X will be plus or minus r by root 2. You will do the differentiation. You have x in the numerator as well as denominator. So you'll have to use the differentiation of u by v.
U by
V.
Simplify that, cross verify and tell me if you are getting this or not. Remembering this result is important. And this graph. Nobody will write in your notes directly from this step to this step. Please do the simplification of differentiation of this u by v. I am waiting for you people.
So can you once again tell what the diagram is about?
This diagram tells me the value of the field due to the ring. I drew the graph for the field along x-axis. Open
Okay.
Desmos, type this, you will be able to see the graph.
Sir, noted.
1 second. Wait. Are you able to see the graph? See the function that I have written here. Y is equal to G capital M, I took as constant 5. G capital M, I took as some constant 5. X upon r square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. Are you able to see the graph?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Right?
So that was the graph for this, right? The ring for E. The graph was for E, right?
Right. Now, all of you different, not noted. Somebody told me noted. Bhai sahab, dE by dx calculate karke x is equal to r by root 2 layout.
yes, sir. got it.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. आ गया.
So I am getting a cubic.
अरे नहीं. Differentiation फिर से करो. Scratch it and do it. I'm waiting for you.
Sir, r square plus x square to the power 1 by 2 cancel हो जाएगा, right?
अरे डिनोमिनेटर में होगा ना यार, तो कैंसिल करने की क्या जरूरत है? राइट हैंड साइड जब 0 इक्वेट कर लोगे जो भी
Yes, sir.
डिनोमिनेटर में है मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 0 से. डी बाई डी एक्स शुड बी 0. तो यहाँ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी आएगा मुझे कुछ लेना देना है नहीं उससे. It is not very difficult. All of you please do.
Done, sir.
Remember this expression of r by root 2. Field is maximum at a distance of r by root 2. You are supposed to remember that. Do not forget these results, they are standard. Now listen. There are several extended bodies, specifically use a ring, hollow sphere, solid sphere. These are the maximum used. Now there's one typical problem in Iridov for which we have to derive this. This is an infinite long wire. Infinite long wire. I want the field here due to the infinite long wire. Lambda is given mass per centimeter.
So your bandwidth is low.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so your video and voice both are lagging.
So now it's fine, I think.
Sir, now it's okay.
It's fine, sir.
So now it's perfect. Now it's perfect. Now it's perfect.
Your
Continue.
bandwidth is back to normal.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Back
sir.
to normal.
Okay.
Back to its form, sir.
Okay. Now listen. This is an infinite long wire. I want the field at a distance of d. Generally, Iridov is an application-based book. He'll give you only those problems which have got applications. This is one problem which doesn't have application anywhere. But because it's given in Iridov, it becomes a standard. You are interested in the field here. Consider an element d pi at a distance of pi. Field will be d. Field will be d. Yes or no? Keep a unit mass here, it will be attracted towards this element.
Yes, sir.
All d sin theta components will cancel out. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To avoid confusion with the symbol d, I changed this to r. R is the distance of this point from here. For every element here, there is an element here, which will give me an identical dE. Hence, the vertical components of dE sin theta will get cancelled out.
Yes.
I am left with integral dE cos theta. G dm by r square cos theta. Sorry, this distance is r square plus y square. Square root and square.
Yes, sir.
dE here will be G dm by this distance whole square. Pythagoras theorem. Are you people there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes,
Sir, yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
G lambda dy by r square plus y square. Cos theta is r divided by root over of r square plus y square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
G lambda. You understood how I put lambda dy? dm is lambda into dy.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
R dy r square plus y square to the power 3 by 2. Least value of y is minus infinity, maximum value of y is plus infinity. Least value of y is minus infinity, maximum value of y is plus infinity. I can write it as 2g lambda 0 to infinity. Instead of minus to plus infinity, I can made it from 0 to infinity 2 times. Lower part I added up. Technically, it would become 2d cos theta if I am removing the lower part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How do I do this integration? Tan theta is y by r. Y is equal to r tan theta. dy is r secant square theta d theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Limits y is 0, theta will be 0. Y is infinity, theta is pi by 2. Substitute dy here, substitute y here, and change the limits from 0 to pi by 2. Integrate and tell me the answer. I'm waiting for you. I'm running short of space here. But next 2 steps, you'll get the answer. First, take it down till here.
So, sir, you changed the limits and added a 2, right? Because both the sides should be the same.
Right?
Okay,
It's
sir.
like telling you for even functions, minus to plus infinity will become 2 times 0 to infinity. That's a standard which you will use in integration. Generally, we do that. You can keep it as minus to plus infinity and solve. You'll get the same answer. I just made your limits a bit easy, that's all.
Sir, is it 2g lambda by r?
Perfect.
Sir,
Huh.
I had a doubt that why are we taking this small element on the y at a distance y? We could have taken along the r also. No?
Along R क्या लोगे यार? This is a wire. This
मतलब
is a
जहाँ पे r
long
कट
wire. I am finding out field at a distance of R. यहाँ पर कुछ है ही नहीं. At a distance of R.
नहीं जहाँ पे सर आर
What is the
आर
long
वायर
wire?
को कट कर रहे हैं वहां पे नहीं ले सकते थे हम एलिमेंट.
कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे.
हाँ सर यहाँ पे एलिमेंट ले.
कहीं पर भी लो लो. Y is a variable. अब थोड़ा ऊपर ले लो नीचे ले लो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अगर यहाँ पर ले लिया तो y will be small. Y is a variable. You are adding, you are integrating with respect to y from minus infinity to plus infinity.
Okay, okay.
Y is not a constant.
Sir, I got minus 2g lambda by r.
नहीं minus नहीं आएगा because you already took the direction. अगर अभी d cos theta integrate करने के बाद अगर negative आया मतलब then you will be changing the direction of field this way. That's the
I
blunder.
did a calculation mistake. It's
So cos theta d theta को minus sin theta.
yes, yes.
हाँ, d cos theta जब आप इस डायरेक्शन में ले लिया आपने डायरेक्शन ले लिया वहां पर नेगेटिव आया तो you are in trouble. That means you are taking field in this direction. That will be wrong. Negative नहीं आएगा.
Even this result we need to remember.
Because not that this has application, but this is a Irodov's problem. This is 1/4 of that problem. The Eridos problem need to be continued, not at over.
Okay, sir.
So what's the final answer?
2g lambda by r. All of you should get this.
So can't we go by the potential method?
Now that's a tricky catch. This is an infinite long wire. Potential calculate करके देखो infinity आएगा. क्यों? How did you define potential? Work done in moving unit mass from infinity to this point. What is infinity? Point where field is zero. I mean, point where field is zero. You don't experience any force. Now for an infinite long wire, कहीं पर भी जाओ, you will not find that infinity. So absolute
But if we
potential will not
move,
be defined. You can try this. For this, you will understand this at a later stage. Delta V is minus integral E dot dr. Infinity to smaller. Do and see, you will get infinity. Try to explain why you are getting infinity. That will give you the answer.
Sir, but if we
All
move
we can do is
perpendicular to
define
the wire,
potential
then
difference. All we can do is define potential difference. R1 to R2. Absolute potential will become infinity.
So why are we not able to find that infinity which you are talking about in the case of infinite long wire? I'm not able to get that.
Infinite long wire के लिए where will infinity be? Point where I don't experience field, right?
Yes, sir.
This infinite long wire. कहीं पर भी जाओ, you will experience. For a point mass, there is a limitation. Infinite long wire.
Okay, sir.
Sir, why did 2 come in front of G lambda?
Minus infinity to plus infinity, I changed it to 0 to infinity. So I multiplied by 2.
Okay, okay.
No, the problem is 1/4 done. The remaining 3/4 I'll do in the next class. So don't forget this expression before coming to the next class. Remember. Second, इसके potential के बारे में I'll speak at length at the right time. Temporarily understand, you can define only potential difference here, not the expression for potential. Just for your understanding, substitute field here and try to integrate and see, you will get infinity. Right? Third, we thought we'll be arranging for some doubt lecture, right?
Yes, sir.
Saturday evening 4 o'clock, flagship batch also needs the same doubt lecture, so I've announced it for them as well. So Saturday evening 4 o'clock, are you people okay with the timing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll send you people also the link. By chance, if you people are missing out, उस lecture का recording भेज दूंगा आप लोगों को, so that won't be an issue.
okay, sir.
Right?
So
Flagship
which
बच्चों को
doubts will
allow-
be taken?
Pardon?
So which doubts will be taken?
Rotation का exercise 5, if I remember well. They
Yes,
said-
sir. Exercise
Yes,
5.
sir.
सर 2-3 डाउट्स एमटी में से भी है.
हाँ?
एमटी के भी 2-3 डाउट्स है सर.
Okay, not an issue. But पहले I think they said exercise 5 of rotation. उसके बाद MT का भी discuss कर ले. Not an issue. Saturday evening 4 o'clock. I'll send you people the link.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
कितने lecture होगा?
No homework for today. Try to read Halliday-Resnick Crane for gravitation. Next class you will receive homework.
Sir, do we
So
need
till what point do we read?
parts?
Read complete gravitation. Halliday-Resnick Crane पूरा gravitation पढ़ लो.
Sir,
Thank you,
optional
sir.
parts also.
Bye, sir.
So that Tuchel's theorem and all, do we need to read?
Shell theorem I'll be covering, but read if possible.
Okay, sir.
I'll be covering. Read before I cover. You will have a better idea.
Thank you, sir.
See you people in the next class.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Sir, I had one doubt in